How to use an Herbin glass dip pen. First, you'll need a low-absorbency paper, water, and ink. Glass pens can use practically any ink other dip pens or fountain pens use. Dip the pen in the ink without hitting the bottom of the bottle to protect the fragile nib. Gently glide the nib against the edge of the bottle to remove the excess ink. Little to no pressure is needed for the ink to flow from the grooves of the nib to the paper. With glass pens, no matter the pressure, line widths are consistent compared to those of other dip pens. Exceeding the fill capacity of most dip pens, glass pens hold an impressive amount of ink, allowing you to write or draw several lines without the need to re-ink. Occasionally rotate the pen while writing to ensure ink is used evenly on all sides of the pen. Herbin glass dip pens are ready to use straight out of the box. However, if you find your pen is not as smooth as your liking, you can gently polish the nib using the light abrasive paper provided in the box. The nib is easily rinsed clean with water, which makes switching between inks easy. Perfect for testing different inks and colors.